This is Ami Mehta here. Do we know that we all have the warrior within us? We all have that ignite, a spark within us, and the ability to face all the challenges. The important thing within us is that we need to understand that how much power we have. प्रॉब्लम ये हो जाता है, अरे यार मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं ये नहीं, मुझसे ये नहीं हो सकता है. No, that is wrong. You have to believe in yourself that yes, we can and we will. My journey was not that easy. I've also faced a lot of anxiety issues, a lot of depression issues. There was a time when I had no confidence within me. But the most important thing, what I believed in myself, was focusing on what I wanted to. Because I had a vision and I had a goal that I had to become a renowned interior designer and architect. If you are into any service, if you are into any products, you really need to join the networking groups. You really need to do the socializing, because socializing, social medias, networking groups really help you to generate your business also, and at the same time it gives you a lot of visibility. There was a time when I also had the depression and anxiety. I had gone to a counselor. She's one of the friend of mine, and that helped me to be more positive. That gave me a lot of more confidence. और उसमें कोई गलत नहीं है. Tomorrow, if you are into any depressions, if you are into anxiety, please meet your friends. Please meet any counselors, because that will help you gain more, lot of confidence within you. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं, अरे यार मैं जाऊंगी, कोई बोलेगा, कोई क्या सोचेगा, सोसाइटी है, कोई किस, मुझे, मैं अगर इसके बारे में बोलूंगी तो मेरे बारे में बोलेगी. No, it's not that. You need to really understand what you want to do, because if you will not know what you want to do, it will be very difficult that people will start taking you for granted. So please don't allow that for yourself. In the market when I came, there were a lot of problems with, I had issues when I had to do the accountings. There was a time when I had to form the company formations because I was alone. End of the day, my father was there who helped me to understand the whole thing. And trust me, the most important tools, what helped me realize, okay, Ami, this is what you can do, is first is mentorship. Please mentor yourself, because if you mentor yourself, you will have a lot of people to help you. You will have a lot of people to give you a lot of knowledge. Second thing, what I learned was that you need to have self-talk. Self-positive talk, because positive affirmations are very, very important for you. If you don't have the positive affirmation and you start thinking always negative, अरे मुझसे ये नहीं होगा, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, अगर मैंने ये किया तो और क्या होगा? No, it's not that. Please have every day a positive affirmations, because these positive affirmations are going to help you gain a lot of self-confidence within you. The important thing is again the self-talk. Self-talk is that you have to talk within yourself. क्या ये मैं कर सकती हूँ? Yes, I can do. क्या ये मैं नहीं कर सकती? No, it's not that. I can definitely do what I want, because you have to be focused to what you want to do. You have to focus on the goals what you want to achieve. I have also faced a lot of issues. There was a time when I had, अरे यार अम्मी मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. But no, why? I can definitely do, because end of the day we have those power within us. We have those ignite within us. This is what is possible. This is what is not possible. And the third thing is that you have to focus. Today, if you have something to become in your own self, please focus. Focus on your goals. Focus on your vision. Rest everything, just forget it. Because if you will not love yourself, then trust me, everyone will start taking you for granted. And that is not what you want. Every female has to understand कि नहीं, this is what I want to do and this is what I am going to achieve. बहुत सारे ups and downs आएंगे, बहुत सारे चीजें आएगी, कभी कभी डिप्रेशन आ जाते हैं, कभी एंजाइटीज आ जाती है, लेकिन उसे ओवरकम ना वो हमारे हाथ में है. हम उसे कैसे ओवरकम करते हैं वो हमारी हाथ में है कि नहीं हमें ये भी करना है और हमें वो भी करना है. नो, just believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, it is going to be very difficult for everything. The message for every woman is, today carry a warrior within. Don't let fear, self-doubt silence her. Embrace the challenges, nurture your inner strength, and together let's inspire the young girls of India to believe in the power of today. Thank you.